For the next short session, I'm going to invite Agnes Pafi to me on stage, who is the coordinator of the Technology Platform Additive Manufacturing Austria, or short AM-Austria. And she will give you a short presentation of AM-Austria, its measures, its goals, and also share some success stories with you. Welcome, Agnes.
Thank you for the introduction. Hello, my name is Agnes, and I want to first give you a question. Oh, thank you. Did you know that Austria is the perfect breeding ground for additive manufacturing? The point is, or the fact is, that Austria has a very strong position in international comparisons, but nobody or not very much know about this. So it's missing a dashboard where you can see our competences and activities. So in 2018, AM-Austria was founded to make it more visible for you, or to make your activities and your business more visible. So we want to develop Austria into one of the world's most innovative pioneers in additive manufacturing. I want to give you some examples of applications where 3D printing, additive manufacturing is in use. For example, in fashion, in art. So many museums now, they work on this theme. So now at the Museum of Applied Arts in Vienna, there's a show now, an exhibition about an Austrian designer about fashion. So it's very fascinating. Or prototyping, or as you see on the slide, chocolate, food. There's a startup in Vienna who is engaged with vegetarian salmon. So, and they have a development like this. It's really crazy. Or in the field of architecture, concrete or even clay for house building. So there's an enormous potential for sustainability, or in medicine, or in aerospace, or in the automotive industry. So next. And what I mentioned before, that Austria is the breeding ground for the theme. The latest press releases, Austria has the highest density of 3D printer manufacturers in the world. And the second info, that we have the highest rate of increase in 3D printing patent application worldwide. Perhaps a question in the audience, to the audience. Are you engaged in 3D printing or additive manufacturing? Is there someone? Please raise your hand. Okay, some of you. Okay, thank you. So our association, our platform, the target group comes from this scenery. So if you are working in the fields of research or education on universities or in industry, you're welcome to present your ideas, to connect with us. The measures we do is mainly networking and communication. So we want to present your ideas, make them more visible, give you a stage to present your business, to get more, to get better, to become better. Okay. I just want to pick out our marketing and communication activities. For example, our president, Dr. Homer, last year, he made a journey to the United Arab Emirates because they were very interested in our platform. They wanted to establish the same there and to get connected with us and to spread the connection and work together more international. Another thing is that we have established working groups, and our members, they can engage in each theme if they want to, or bring in their questions to work on it. So, for example, education and training with Professor Jürgen Stampfel. He's here on the Technical University. Or there's another working group with Brigitte Christ from the Montan University of Leoben for research program development. Or we work together to work out programs that are given from the ministry, from the BMK, or norms and standards, the task force. So we can influence for the Austrian norms and standards how it should be in the future. Some success stories to get you, to have you with me. Invisalign, perhaps everybody knows. So most of the children now, when they have some problem with their teeth, they get from their dentist an Invisalign bracelet. And this success story is very interesting because nowadays they produce about 500,000 braces a day. It's really, really crazy. Or the other thing, the second one, the hearing aid, I would say, about 98% or nearly 100% is produced in 3D printing. So let's have a short look to our member structure, which are mainly manufacturers from industry, service providers, research facilities and education institutions, mostly universities and so on, and others like the Chamber of Commerce, many clusters all around Austria and also in Europe or Germany and so on. And if you want to become a member, just have a look at our website. There's an application sheet, and our board decides if you will become a member. So we are really we take the best, so you're in a good community. Here our team, the board team on the first row. And I'm really proud that I can present to you now to give you the information of the MAM Startup Award, of the Metal Additive Manufacturing Startup Award. We support this award together with the SMET, and the application deadline was extended until 14th of June. So I'm very happy to present it to you today, and if someone is here to take part or to have a great idea, so feel free, and you find everything on the internet of it. Yeah, and if you have any questions about our organization, contact me, or I have some folders for you outside, but they are in German. Take them with you, and we can talk later on also. Thank you.
Thank you very much. I actually have one more question for you. So you said that startups that engage in 3D printing, in additive manufacturing, can join your network, become visible there. Do you think you have any special conditions for some of them? Maybe some, a little incentive to join?
I have to discuss it first with our board, of course. But I think if there are many startups who want to join us and you are welcome. We will have an idea to make it more attractive for all of you. So feel free to contact us and let's work together and bring the additive community forward in Austria and worldwide.
Thank you very much.